So recently, an unexpected photo of the Pixel 9 Pro Fold surfaced, apparently taken without permission. The image, first posted by Android Authority, shows the device in its official case, sitting on a stand at a Starbucks in Taiwan. Now, 91 Mobiles has managed to spot Google's upcoming foldable on the camera FV5 certification just ahead of its big launch next week. When it comes to foldables, the cameras often take a hit. It's that classic trade-off: slim design versus camera quality. But hey, let's dive into what the Pixel 9 Pro Fold brings to the table in that department. On the back, you've got a 12-megapixel primary camera that should pack a punch with its pixel binning magic, delivering up to 48 megapixel. That's similar to its predecessor, sporting a 48-megapixel sensor with an f1.7 aperture, OIS plus EIS, and a 55.8-degree vertical field of view. Expect a maximum resolution of 4000 by 3000 and an ISO range of 43 to 17066. And on the front, a 10MP selfie shooter with EIS support, boasting a 22.3mm focal length, f2.2 aperture, and a wide 77.8-degree field of view. Maximum selfie resolution? 3840 by 2600. Now, we don't have all the details on the other sensors yet, but leaks are starting to spill the beans. Looking at leaked photos, while the quality isn't mind-blowing, it does confirm the sleek design and that familiar camera module layout we've been hearing about. It seems slimmer than its predecessor, which aligns with earlier rumors. But let's be real, when it comes to foldables, like those from China, the camera bump often plays a big role in those stunning shots. So, will the Pixel 9 Pro Fold break new ground? Well, you be the judge. That wraps up today's video. Stay tuned for more updates, and I'll catch you in the next one.